What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Auto Auction Rebuilds. We are back at Copart for another Copart walk around. If the audio sucks, I apologize. I'm doing the best I can with like literally getting ready to be blown away by the wind out here. We're gonna jump into this today. Number one on my list, a 2020 Chevy Sonic Lt. And I know, you're thinking, why? Why would you be interested in this? It's listed as mechanically damaged with 12,000 miles, and it's a 2020. Mechanically damaged 2020 with 12,000 miles. Oh, it's got bags blown. Okay, I guess I did miss that. I thought we were gonna walk in on like a diamond in the rough type situation here, and I think maybe not. Crap, yeah. Oh boy. Well, at least we still have some seat belts that haven't locked up. Man, I wonder what happened to this. Yeah, this pretensioner is gone. So is that one over there. Somebody tore into the floor. Or no, those are parts. Okay. Okay, I'm curious. What the hell happened to this? What the hell happened to this? This is a buy it now for $6,500. 6,500 bucks. So I thought, well, for a 2020, you know, let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let's give her a shot. But now that I've seen it up close, I'm starting to think that, yeah, maybe just maybe something really is wrong with this. It's got almost no coolant in the coolant bottle. Oh, wow. That thing tried to take the hood out. It is full of oil. It is the turbo, but it's missing the heat shield. There's supposed to be a heat shield here. Why would that be missing? Okay. The brake fluid is full. That's about all you're going to be able to check on this. I don't think there's a transmission dipstick or anything. Okay. I mean, obviously the tires on the other side are flat, so I'm going to assume that maybe it hit something with the other wheels. This is bizarre. This is real bizarre. This is going to be undercarriage damage, guys. This is going to be undercarriage. Huh. Okay, so it needs the front seat belt pretensioners rebuilt, or just used front seat belts. Probably a couple tires, maybe a couple of wheels. The airbags for the curtains. And we might have more damage under here. I mean, actually, you can see, but that could be from a fork. It's hard to say for sure, guys. It's hard to say if... that could be a fork going through it, or it could be where it just ran up over something. This is a tough one. This is a tough one. My best guess is that this whole side went down something, and there's probably damage up underneath. Let's go ahead and throw a jump on it. Let's see what it does. I notice it right here. It says runs and drives. Let me check the app real quick and see what it says. So I might have got this one confused with something else, but you know, that happens when you're looking at a bunch of cars in one day. This is showing as a run and drive. It is listed as a run and drive. What is this? It says service disconnect. I don't know what that means, but okay. Yeah, so it is a run and drive, mechanical damage. The buy it now is $6,500, and it's supposed to have an estimated retail value of 20 grand. 20 grand. Is that accurate? I don't know. I think 99 cents is probably a little closer to where it should be, but let's go ahead and I hear a turbo. I hear a turbo having some very serious problems. Yeah. Okay. We've got something going on with the exhaust. It's got brakes. Put it in gear. moves, it goes forwards, it goes backwards, and then she's done. So here's some of the stuff from the underside. It's full of rocks, and it's all chewed up. So they definitely ran over something. Got some Versace. We've even got the window sticker. Oh man, this could be fun. 29 miles a gallon in the city, 34 on the highway. What was the price of this thing? That's really all I want to know. The total price of this, brand new, off the lot, MSRP, was $21,285. It's got the RS package. That added a whole $800 to it. $21,285. And you can buy this right now for $6,500. That's crazy. You can keep it running if you keep your foot on the gas. I'm gonna turn on the AC. I'm curious to see if the air conditioning works, or if maybe we've got a busted condenser and a busted radiator. That would be my guess. I think you would find that underneath, no, AC is ice cold. Air conditioning is ice cold. Okay, so the condenser is still good, and the radiator may have survived as well. Okay, and now it's staying running on its own. I don't know, guys. We can have some fun with this. The exhaust is obviously, somebody's been under here, man. I wonder if I can get you guys down there. I don't think I can. Let me try, though. Let's try. Let's try to get you guys under here and... Oh, wow, that hood, man. That hood is just... It's trying to come up. Maybe I can scoot you guys in over here. You guys see any damage? That's about as good as I can get you. Oh, wow. Yeah, that wasn't easy to do. That wasn't easy to do. So if you saw something, definitely comment below and tell me what you saw, man. I don't know. What do you guys think about this one? This one's definitely within the budget. Cheap, economical, parts should be readily available. Now that it's running, it's actually running really well. She's got coolant. You can feel the feedback from the fluid in the hose. Yeah. This is doable. This is doable. I kind of like it, honestly. I know I'm probably crazy for it, but I do. I kind of like the little thing. Let's give it a little throttle. Oh yeah, much better. Much better. She was running like crap earlier, guys. She's actually running really well right now. Yeah, man. Couple side curtain airbags, couple seat belts, and, you know, whatever exhaust is missing, reprogramming the seat belt or the airbag module. Couple tires and wheels, most likely. The steering works. The electronic steering is working, and it feels fine. The brakes feel good, and it's only got 12,000 miles on it. And turbo. Not bad. Not bad. Nice little touchscreen interface, cold air conditioning. This is a decent little car, guys. Comment below, tell me what you think. We are going to move on to the next one. Unfortunately, I only got one more car for you guys today, guys. We just ran short on this one, but we got a 2014 Chrysler 300 hail damage, and it's currently sitting at $1,900. $1,900. It's got 111,000 miles on the odometer. Now, I'm sure it's a 3.6 V6, but that's all right. I still think it's a sharp-looking car. Now, of course, with all the dust on it, oh, good luck being able to see the actual hail damage. I can't see anything. You can see a little bit of markings from, you know, the body shop, but yeah, you're just gonna have to buy this one and hope for the best. Oh, but she is clean. She is clean, guys. Yes. Yeah, I like this. I like this. I mean, I like this better than I like that that Chevy up there. That, what was that? A Chevy Sonic? Let's fire it up. This is real nice. This is, oh man. I really like this car. This sucker's clean. Okay, we can see a little bit better now. Busted windshield, of course. No sunroof, so we don't have to worry about that. Look at that screen. This is gorgeous, man. The blue. 111,000 miles, average fuel economy 18 miles a gallon. Yeah, that sounds about right. Guess that's not too bad. The important window works. It was being serviced by Landers, Chrysler, Dodge, Ram, and they say the tires, brakes, and battery were good as of, you know, whenever it was brought in there. Next service was due 2/13 of 22 or 115,000 miles. So this thing's solid. I guarantee this thing is. There we go. There's drive. Forward, yes. Reverse. Yes. And park. All right. Let's try out the air conditioning real quick. Let's get that AC cranked up a little bit. There we go. Let's pop the hood. While this is doing its thing and cooling off, we can check under the hood and see what things look like. I'm gonna go ahead and roll that window down real quick. Let's pop that, and let's pop the trunk. Woo! Oh, look at that. A little Beats by Dre subwoofer in the back there. All right. This is a sleek looking car, man. I don't know how bad the hail damage is, but I'm going to tell you right now, I'd just go ahead and drive it anyway. I would. Yep, 3.6. Good engine. It really is. No complaints. I had it in my Jeep. I've had a few vehicles with this engine in it, and I've never had any complaints with it. It's got enough pep in its step to get you where you got to go and get out of its own way, merge onto the interstate, things of that nature. She sounds real healthy. She sounds real healthy. I really do like this one, guys. I wish I could see the extent of the hail damage a little better. I really do. What kind of tires we got? We got a Brom. I can't read that, guys. Bravarius? I don't know. Looks like we got damage here. It says repair pillar. See a lot of broken. Oh yeah, this is probably the side that took the majority of the hail. It's gonna be this side right here, I bet you money. Read that for me. What the hell does that say? Bravarius 5? What is that? Who is Barham? Never heard of it, guys. But with that said, she does have some nice tires. She does. Someone cleaned this off recently, and you can see some hail damage there. For the right price, though, I'd drive living hell out of this. I'll tell you right now, for $1,900, you wouldn't be able to keep me out of this car for $1,900. I would get rid of the Tesla, and I would just roll this until it blew up for $1,900. I thought we had air conditioning on. Apparently, we didn't. Those buttons were not on. I'm sure the AC works, though. Clean interior. Somebody really, really took care of this car. Like, they really loved this car. You could tell. Got all your little power stuff in there. Well, hell, I don't know, guys. I thought for sure the AC was going to fire up on this. It's on low. The fan is on, the AC is on, but I'm just not feeling... I'm not feeling any cold air coming out of this. It could be slow. It could take a minute. Yeah, there it goes. I mean, it came on just as soon as I said it, instantly got ice cold. Instantly. Okay. All right. Well, I am going to keep this one on my watch list because I really, really like this car. It's a big car. It is. It's a big car. Kind of reminds you of a... Well, I'll tell you what it reminds me of. It reminds me of a Charger. Bigger than a Charger. Kind of like maybe a Challenger, though. A Challenger with 4 doors. You know what I mean? It's a big car, guys, and she's slick. We're going to keep our eye on this one, see what happens. This is the last car, so we are out of here. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to get out of here. Short video today. I do apologize, but we run out of cars. We went through something like 42 cars this week, and there just aren't any more. I've gone through all the cars that I thought was interesting enough to put on video. I could go pick another one out and just throw it in here for filler content. I'm just not going to do that. Yeah, anyway, I'm going home is what I'm trying to say. This is ridiculous. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down button. Drop those comments down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're not currently subscribed. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Auto Auction Rebuilds. Links to everything down below, guys. Stay safe out there. I look forward to seeing you all again very soon in the next one.